Hi guys, finding tangents and normals to a curve. Now tangent and normal is both a straight line, and tangent touches a curve at one point only once, and normal is also a straight line but perpendicular to the tangent at the same point, okay, to the curve. So to find a normal equation of normal, we need to find the gradient of the tangent first, and then use the point gradient formula, and then we can just find the equation of that. So the basic idea, I'm just going to sketch the graph here. So if I had something curve something like this, and then tangent will be, it's just touching once, yeah, touching once, and then the normal will be something like this, perpendicular to that tangent. Okay, so the gradient of tangent and then gradient of normal, when we do the product of those two, you probably learned that in year 10, normal, you will get -1. So if you want to find the gradient of normal, you will go like this, which is negative reciprocal of the tangent. Okay, so remember that. All right, so the question we're going to do is the finding the equation of the tangent and the normal of the curve to the curve, which is, I'm going to use y equals 2x squared minus 5x plus 8, and at x equals 2. Okay, now you can just go ahead and, you know, find the dy dx, and you know, you get so excited about this, but I might just I'll just find the y value first, yeah, because the question only gave me the one coordinate, x value, and I will need both values for using the point gradient formula later on. So I'm just going to be prepared for it. So I'm going to go when x equals 2, what will be my y value? I'm just going to put that in there. Square minus 5, 2 plus 8, 8, 8, 10, so it'd be 6. Okay, so I'll go 2 and 6. So that's what I'm going to use. Now you get all excited about, you know, practicing your dy dx. So I'm going to use blue. So I'm going to find the gradient of the tangent, which is the dy dx, which will be, and my, oh, can't see that. So from here, I will go 4x minus 5, yeah, because it disappears, and that's the 5, that's that. And then what happens here, I'm going to put at x equals 2, so my gradient for tangent is 4, 2 minus 5, which is 8 minus 5, 3, okay? And therefore, while I'm at it, I might just find the gradient of the normal as well, which is negative reciprocal of the tangent. All right, so that's done. And I've got the points, I've got the gradients. I can move on to the final equation using the point gradient formula. If you didn't know, here it is. Okay, so that's what we're going to use. So first, I'm going to find the equation of the tangent at 2, 6, and my gradient is 3. Okay, it's not too bad. So let's have a look. I'm going to put another paper, and here we go. So y minus 6, gradient x minus 2. All right, let's expand this. It would be y minus 6 equals 3x minus 6. Now, I wouldn't move this one to the other, but you're used to that. But I'm just going to move this one to the other because I want to keep this 3x positive. So 3x minus 6, the same. I'm going to move this one. Oops. Minus y plus 6 equals Yep, I'm going to do general form. So I'm just going to make it equal to 0 here. So I'm going to tie this one up. So my gradient, the equation of the tangent will be 3x minus y equals 0, because that was 0. So that's my equation of the tangent to the curve, which was the y equals 2x squared minus 5x plus 8. Okay, now I'm going to go to the next one, which is the finding the equation of the normal. So I'm going to go y minus 6 equals minus 1 over 3 x minus 2. Now you're using same y values and x values, only thing it's different is the gradient. Okay, so in here I'm just going to get rid of the fraction, so I'm going to times by 3, so it'll be 3 minus. Now take your time on this one because it's a negative. Don't jump into it and just do it in your head. That's when you make a mistake. But if you're confident, of course, go ahead. So that's what it is. Now here I'm going to move this one to the other because I don't like the negative here. So again, I'm going to do general form here. So x minus 2 if I move there, but this one still stays the same, yeah? Equals 0. And then I'm going to tighten it up. X plus 3y minus 20. And I'm going to put 0 so it's a general form. So this is my equation of the normal to the curve. What was it? 2x squared minus 5x plus 8. Okay, see ya.